In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the List All Tabs icon in Firefox. If you'd like a cleaner tab bar in Mozilla Firefox, you may want to hide the List All Tabs icon. This button appears at the end of the tab bar and provides a quick way to view and search through all of your open tabs. While it can be useful when working with many tabs, some users prefer to remove it for a cleaner appearance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide the icon using Firefox's built-in customization options. To get started, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser has opened, click the Application menu in the upper right corner of the window. This menu is represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select More Tools if it's available, and then choose Customize Toolbar. In some versions of Firefox, you may see Customize Toolbar directly in the Application menu. When the customization page opens, you'll see the buttons and controls that are currently displayed on your Firefox toolbar. This mode allows you to rearrange supported toolbar items by dragging and dropping them into different locations or removing them from the toolbar when possible. Locate the List All Tabs icon on the tab bar. Depending on your version of Firefox, this button may be fixed as part of the browser interface. If Firefox allows it to be customized, simply drag the icon away from the toolbar and place it in the customization palette. Once it's removed from the toolbar, it will no longer appear during normal browsing. If you find that the List All Tabs icon cannot be moved or removed, that's because your version of Firefox treats it as a built-in interface element. In that case, Firefox does not provide a built-in option to hide it through the standard customization menu. After making any available changes, click Done to save your toolbar layout and return to normal browsing. Your updated toolbar configuration will take effect immediately, allowing you to continue using Firefox with the layout you've chosen. If you ever want to restore the toolbar to its original appearance, simply return to the Customize Toolbar page. From there, you can move supported items back to the toolbar, or use the Restore Defaults option if you want Firefox to reset the toolbar layout. That's all there is to it. If your version of Firefox supports customizing the List All Tabs icon, you can remove it through the toolbar customization page. If it doesn't, the icon is currently a built-in part of the browser interface and can't be hidden using Firefox's standard settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,